Central location. We took the Hollywood King room, perfect for us. View wasn't much, but with the central location, you won't be too bothered by it because you'll be out and about most of the time. Furnishing and bathroom furnishing is of good quality, communal corridor is also tastefully designed. Looking forward for another stay over here. Lovely, cozy, well-designed quality hotel room. Such a lovely stay at the Victoria Garden Hotel. Light spacious room. Friendly courteous reception desk. The breakfast buffet is special. Nice selection of hot and cold breakfast fare. Bircher muesli, lovely salads, spring rolls. Delicious eggplant plus chicken curry, spring rolls. Many accompaniments, and the waffles were to die for. Thank you for a great stay. Well done to all the great staff. Kind regards, highly recommend. Great hotel in a good location. Everything was very clean and tidy and the staff helpful and friendly. Breakfast buffet is also very nice. We particularly enjoyed the freshly made waffles. Victoria Garden Georgetown, very nice hotel and very clean rooms. Very good location also to visit historical Georgetown. Enjoyed the stay overall with family. Clean and spacious, great location. We'll be back again. Cost hotel room and clean. Nice stay. Have been staying in this hotel each time we visit Penang. We fell in love with it since our first stay here. Very comfortable and the room is very clean too. The lighting and environment of the room makes you feel really relax. Love it. Good location, good breakfast spread, excellent. Breakfast spread was good even we didn't book earlier, we only paid RM34 per pax to enjoy the breakfast with friends. Clean and beautiful hotel, they have one of the most strategic location. Walking distance to almost any location near Georgetown. The room is new and clean. Love it. Super good value for money. Great best place to stay if you don't drive. Nearest so many famous place. I enjoy stay here, will come again if I travel to Penang.